I'm sure we've all seen this baked feta pasta craze on TikTok, and I'm not about to do a TikTok because, you know, I'm not 18 years old. But I am going to try this recipe. Here we go. First of all, I'm going to be making mine gluten-free so that I can have it. And you want to cook it until it's al dente. Okay, well, first off, I'm doing mine in a pretty small container. It's going to be a 9x7. Add your cloves of garlic, some salt, pepper, oregano, olive oil, and mix it up. And in the middle, add a block of feta cheese, more olive oil to coat the cheese, and bake at 400 for 35 minutes. So I did actually put it on broil just for a couple minutes at the end, just to give the tomatoes a little bit of a char. And the next step you're supposed to do is you're supposed to mash the garlic into the feta, mash all the tomatoes in with everything. And the last step is that you add the pasta. And fresh basil. And now to taste. Wow, that's really good. And although this isn't a true Greek meal, I'm going to give it an oppa.